Hello, today I just want to talk about different uses with Extrude. So what I did is I created here sort of a bread box kind of shape, just to kind of show you different functions you can do with Extrude other than just create an object or just remove stuff. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a new sketch on the front of this piece. Now you'll notice if I want to draw up here on the curve, I really can't. Unless you think of it in terms of 3D, where I've already started a sketch up here. So if I were to draw a shape, so we'll just do an angled line. And I wanted to draw connected to the top of this. So when we look at this straight on, even though it's curved, we do see a top edge. Now you'll notice I can't connect. I could connect down here because this is a flat shape and I'm able to get this right on the sketch plane. But if I want to connect with something up here, I'm going to have to use the Use option. So I'll click Use. And what that does is it'll take an edge. So I'll angle this slightly so you can see. And it will project it onto my sketch plane. Okay, or as I've called it in class, my piece of paper. I can also do the side edges if I want to. And kind of create that flat look on the front. And I don't need those side ones, so I'm going to actually get rid of those. So I can go ahead, and if I wanted to, I could draw a couple lines in. And normally you would dimension these, and it probably would have fit more even if I had. So now I can finish my sketch, and if I want to, I can click Extrude, and then Remove, go through all. And now I've made kind of a neat little pattern on my bread box, okay, using that method. So let me undo here, and I'll get rid of my sketch. So I want to show you another way you can use Extrude other than being able to use with it and take away some material. So I could do a sketch on the front here again, and we'll do 2-point rectangle, and then we'll do a triangle on the top. So something like that. Okay, and again, you should dimension this stuff, but for the demonstration, I think we'll be okay. So now I'll show you if I extrude, I can extrude forward, but the problem is it's not connected on the top. So if I wanted that triangle to come over and connect to this, I can go to extrude and select the back part of what we already did. And now you see how it kind of goes into the object? And if this were solid like it is, you could probably get away with this and not have a problem. But if this were hollow on the inside and I just wanted it to conform with this, there's two options to fix that. You can click where blind is and choose up to next. In this case, that would work because it would go right up to the next surface. Or if you had a surface that was further away and you wanted to project to that one, you could click up to face and then select this top face. Either one will work. One just requires an extra step, an extra click. So once you have that set, you can just hit the green check mark, and now you have your triangle curved over that top piece. Okay, so just remember, extrude, super helpful. You can extrude two things. Like I said, you can also remove, like I did previously, just to show you. If I do a new sketch, sorry, I'm still in extrude. If I do a new sketch, I could cut in the angle on the side of this roof if I wanted to. So once again, I'll click Use, and then I'll draw, actually I want to use on the edge too. So I want this edge. And then I'll draw an angled line. And again, you should dimension. And if I click Remove and go through all, now I've created kind of a fun angled roof here. Okay, so all sorts of